Breakfast? Yenza ukhulule, khulule.
Ukhulule
Umzansi.
Ukhulule umzansi
wakho.
Okay.
Enjoy them, go enjoy. Ukufa ndiyakuva xa enjoy. Enjoy.
Enjoy.
Ndiyandilile kodwa enjoy. Enjoy. Ndiyakwazi xa enjoy ndilile ngenza into and akakayenzi le nto uqhele uyenza. Njalo? Sofundisa. Uthini?
Ndithi into torho. Ima torho ndicela nepeni torho ima. Kanditsho.
Benibambe ngeshit cause uphezu kwami. Nazama umbamba. But yandoyisa ndawela ngaphayana wanibetha ngestik. Wanibetha ngendonga. Mind you, apha endlini kukho ii-tools zakhe zomsebenzi. So I was scared uba athatha zazinto andibethe ngazo. However, didn't scream. Izolo ngisithetha enye into ndincede ngumntana phana ukudle. Ufike phezu kwam. However, lo mntana khe ngafike phana ngesithetha enye into namhlanje uyandicinezela esiswini ndiyamxelela ubana kubuhlungu akasuki. Akasuki angandiyeki uyanibetha. What breaks my heart kukuthi bana ebedlala enforce kwizinto ndiyafuna. Uhlala njani? Uhlala njani kanjalo?
The guy is leaving Cape Town, yeah, but he's running away from the whole situation. Yabaleka. He has put me through a lot. He's really put me through a lot. Ndipuke ijola and ngoku. As we're speaking, and then he's running away. And then he takes a band to Utibana Behlala. And he was drunk. He wasn't drunk, Pana. He was sober. It was on a Monday. He was going to work. Now, Utibedlalanam. So now he's leaving. I'm just hoping and praying everyone. But I've went to the police. Davuli case. So it didn't click to my mind that he would run. Excuse me, but any sweetheart up on Facebook, she texted me. She told me Mdase Lomdo is leaving Cape Town at the moment. So I hope everyone can help me find him wherever he is, because he's damaged me so much. And I'm pregnant. I'm in pain even now. At this point, and nazi nyembezi angikwazi ulila kubuhlungu ulila, because I've accepted this for the longest time. Ndizopapa masekule because ndizobeleka in the next few weeks. And then I told myself, no, this needs to end because ngizobanga mama, and then umntana doesn't deserve umuntu onje. And umntana deserve umuntu healed, because I would have my traumas kuye ndizikhupela kwi-anger zam. So I want him to rot in jail. I hope everyone can help me throughout that. Because now I think he's going to his sister's place. I don't know. And I wish justice unfairly, because I've been through so much. I've been through abuse for the longest time. Didn't know if I do this I turned out to be a violent person myself, because and iyangiqhela loo nto.
iyakuphela, and it's wrong into ukhala ubethwa. It's wrong to call abuse. Now ikum ndingumntwana enga issues ndiyambi counseling my situations in social workers, and every time esenza into uthi bana anathi kaloku une-depression, since I'm on medication depression, anathi une-depression, sanomamela anathi une-depression, ndiyambi counseling, ndiyambi ntoni. It's not So I hope everyone can help me find him. At some point I was like, you know what, however you take your life, no one is going to know about this. Let's just do it and move on with our lives. But no, it's been a cycle, it's been happening. Siyexabana ekwazi ngikhuphe emotweni ngobusuku ngo-1 ngo-2 andijule phaa ngoku ndi-pregnant. I was 7 weeks pregnant. Ihamba netshomi yakhe usiphelele wandikhupha emotweni wandidrega. I was 7 weeks pregnant. Undishiye in the middle of nowhere. I had to walk home kumnyama. I had to walk home. Andinafowuni, andinanix. I had to walk home. But he wasn't manipulated over and over and over again. I regret every inch and I feel like from the day he laid a hand, supposed to put me in a lamp zuzu. But the abusive because we are Kayla Gawena. We are Kayla. Dibhlungu adbana bedlala nambisa kabuhlungu. That night one chata once elwandle kwago 3 a.m. he took me once elwandle. Wandibetha andamandla wandibetha elwandle. Uyazi bana xa sibana kumntu sokwazi unceda. Uyazi kumntu
kune video ngolapha Facebook and then eposte untombazane ethiwa Anathi yabo. So isibonga angisikhumbule kahle. But basically Anathi shared a video with us where she was recording her baby daddy. Baby daddy wakhe beqeda kumshaya, and she's pregnant, by the way. She's still pregnant, and uyasho ukuthi nenama pains yabo. She has pains. Uyacela ukuthi ngicela mise esibhedlela yabo because of the pains that she has, and ugayi uyanqaba yabo nan. And while they're going back and forth, uguy then demands her ukuthi enene ngicela zomnika ihead. So after hitting her umlimaza umshaya, he then demands her ukuthi enene ngicela zomnika ihead, right? Uyasaba phela uzokwenza njani, because if she doesn't uzoqhubeka mshaya. So yes, she goes and gives him head, right? That's rape, by the way. That is rape. In case you didn't know, that's rape. Whatever. And now guys on the run. Yes, guy now is on the run, and akatholakali akwazi ukuthi ukephi. Ugcine thuse ubaleke wayegoli kodwa abanye bathi khona laphayana elokishini kanjani. Cool. You know what's funny about amaposter kanje? Ukuzuthi upostiwe uguy, yes. Sonke sibonile, uma ukuthi wakaboni usazobona ubuso bakhe, yes. Sibonile ubuso bakhe. We know ukuthi he's an abuser, he's a narcissist, he's this and that. He's a shitty person in general. Yabo, he's a shitty person because there's no way ukuthi ungenza leyanto ebhlungu kanje yakuma wengane yakhe emeeting ngane yakho, yes. Cool. Simbonile uguy, yes. Nqwaba abanye bethu simbonile sakhombisa nabangani bethu sakhombisa nobani bethu, yes. Uzoboshwa, uzotholakala aboshwa, and then mase seboshiwe ahamba yobingelela imantshi, imantshi imrelease ngebail. Ade kukhona icase enenezana la, yes. Uphu guy lo shayo nenezana akekho ureleasiwe ngebail ya 2000, yes. And you know what else? Kusakhona amantombazana asazomqoma. Ngobani ngoba etshela ukuthi angcono kunogeli ahlanipheka kakhulu wona, noma leyo nto ngeke iziyenzeke kuona, noma angcono, because we always think with the exception thinaki, yabo. Hayi wona ngcono wona njani. So lento eyenzeke kulo ngeke iziyenzeke kuona. Hlale sibuka la ama deadbeats e-trend ukuthi usakhile lo baba ingane yami sinengane na5 akayondli kwasocema kanjani xa kune-trend la TikTok ya baba kagel sababona abafana kunentombazane ejola naye loyo mfana loyo iyazi kahle ukuthi akondli. Kunentombazane ejola nalaba abatrenda abashaya naye azi kahle ukuthi uyabhonyana. And ngoba uThomas ukholwa ngokubona umqomile bahleli kumnandi utshela abantu bakho ukuthi hayi no mina nje uyahlangana nomngane nani nomfana ufikile nawathi hayi wayengihlangela lona washo cima kanjani she provoked me because that's what they say, she provoked me washo cima kanjani umkholo nawe silima esinekhanda elikhulu elimiso kwe-hexagon umkholwe nawe ube kuhlale nawe uyobona mhla wakubhonya nawe ukuthi cha wayengahlangelwa ya noma uyobona nawe mhla wamitha wangayondli ngane yakho ukuthi cha wayengahlangelwa ya. Utshela abantu besifazane ngemini because i-justice system vele sesiyazi ukuthi it's shitty. In these situations you always need obhuti noma umalume abazodila naye umfana bemphuthume fast nje kudlule lapho ngoba i-justice system siyazi sonke ukuthi nje hlale vele laba bezophuma sale ke wena ususeninkinga.
One thing about me, guys, andifihle into and andikhathani noba sizalwa kunye siphume esibelekweni esinye okanye ndikwazi oluphi uhlobo, but kum into xa irongo andikhathani noba ngubhuti wam, andikhathani noba sizalana ngantoni okanye sihlobana ngantoni. Ivoice yam ayiphumi kakuhle, I'm sorry guys, I'm hurt ndisuka kwi-Blue app. I am very hurt. Ndiyathandaza ukuthi justice ingamfeyili uAnathi. Ndiyathandaza uAnathi justice ingamfeyili. Andikwazanga noyigqiba la video le andikwazanga noyigqiba la video leyana, ndiyibukelile but ndayiyeka phakathi because nam ndingumntana oyintombazana and nam ndingamvuma umfana ndibone ngumntu orayithi, uyayibo, and ndingaluncikelela uthando kuba ndicimba umntu uzotshintsha, uyayibo. So inhliziyo yami ibuhlungu kakhulu because andifuni uyicinga uba ufila njani, especially umuntu abe pregnant. Kum mna andikhathani noba kuthiwa ungubhuti wam, if urong andisoze leyo ndiyifihle and mawubanjwe ubulawa apha phambi kwam andinangxaki. Uyayibo guys, I'm hurt kakhulu into kaAnathi. I hope ijustice ingangamfeyili umntana abantu because akukho lula tu guys tu.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosa's Mzansi guys. Inja lo body and like he needs to be arrested. Ayikho nje indzaba yakhe he needs to be arrested because what? Story salo mntwana lo guys isibuhlungu indlela lesimanga sithenze abantu abaningi kakhulu elaphethe enkundleni yokuxhumana abantu basho ukuthi bafuna ijustice for uAnathi. Sibonile video uqala idlalile labi kamfostela khona uba ukuthi bendetindo amnike nehate ababona ukuthi umntwana abantu uyafata inhlungu upregnant uyafata inhlungu amtshela ukuthi kubuhlungu but yena ufuna late fonela kona. Currently bathi he's on the run. Let's hope ukuthi utotholeka or injustice will be served. Please do comment your thoughts down on the comment section. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.